Mine is a Razor rocket.
Razor pocket rocket.
Razor pocket rocket.
And how fast do you go? You go pretty fast?
Yeah.
Yeah, how fast do you think you go?
Maybe about that. Well, mine is a Minimoto electric motorcycle.
Yep. How fast do you think you go? Pretty fast?
Yeah.
Mine is a 2008, right? Suzuki B-King. It's basically a naked Hayabusa engine. Yep. It's called a naked bike. Yep. So what we're gonna do is, we've been doing a lot of videos, right, guys? And have a lot of comments and a lot of followings. So we're gonna just do our first vlog, as you call it, and we're gonna do a ride around. We're gonna go right around our block, okay? Or a block. We are going to wear helmets because people have commented. God bless you. We have comments on helmet wearing, so we will wear helmets for you. It is true he does not wear helmets sometimes, and he doesn't wear.
Because I'm like getting used to it.
Well, whatever. They're not gonna like it. So from this point on, we're gonna be riding around the block, and he's going. The youngest one's gonna be wearing it. And how old are you?
5.
5. 8, and I'm over 40, so I'm not even going to go there. Well, apparently.
I'm gonna say JoKeR Racing.
Okay, say it.
No, I already said it.
Oh.
I think this is JoKeR Racing. Whoa!
Yeah, we just finished our little ride in the neighborhood, but the problem is that the little one, the little bike, the Razor, ran out of battery. First thing you need to do before you take a video is that you should get it fully charged. Alright. So for the next time, we'll get it charged. In the meantime, say goodbye.